So are you okay other than that, the cuts?
Where do you see cuts?
You got cuts on your hand.
Oh, because I fell earlier.
Abandoned by her friends, drunk and aggressive, she tried to escape the law by dropping one name, her sheriff uncle. But what happens when that name doesn't work and she starts fighting the police instead? This isn't just public intoxication, this is a meltdown, caught on camera.
You guys
We got here and she was...
You just found her like this?
She tied me down.
Where's her stuff at?
Right here.
This is all hers? All the
area for
Yeah, do you have it?
Oh, no.
No, you, listen,
I'm gonna get in trouble.
they're here to help you.
Star Squad. Yeah, Star Squad.
Do you want this water?
Probably dehydrated, might help.
Hey, Lauren. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to call EMS squad to come check you out, okay? Because I think you're dehydrated. That's why you're puking and you're pretty intox, too. So
Yeah, so drink that.
appreciate you staying with her until we got here.
Yeah.
Especially with the water being
I
here.
don't. You're a fast bitch. Get the away from me.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Apparently she fell in the water a couple times on me. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Remain calm. We'll get the squad out here to check you out, okay?
Can I ask what county is this?
This is Cuyahoga County. You're at Edgewater right now. Where were your friends from? Why did your friends leave you?
What does that matter? Why does that matter? I'm curious. Why does that matter?
Okay. I'm just asking, that's all. Are you okay? You look like you got some cuts. Are you okay other than that, the cuts?
Where do you see cuts?
You got cuts on your hand.
Oh, because I fell earlier, but I was drunk breaking into the dock. What county is this?
Cuyahoga.
Canada. Can I put my feet in the water?
No, just stay right here. I don't want you to fall in. You said you fell in a couple times. I don't want you to fall in again.
Nope. But I'm going to put my feet in the water.
No. Just stay over here.
Actually, I'm going to put my feet in the water.
Actually, we want you to sit down for us, please.
Lauren, just sit down. Alright? We're gonna have the squad come check you out, and then we'll get you out of here, okay? We're not looking to fight with you. We're not looking to charge you.
Actually, you are.
Just looking for some cooperation. That's it, okay?
And you're calling the whole squad back up. Once again, you guys read my record, and you're like, oh my god, this girl's got a couple weed charges. Let's cite her for some more shit.
We don't care about your research.
Bullshit.
Listen.
You guys are going to cite me for anything
Lauren,
you can.
listen.
No. You guys are going to cite me for anything you can.
Lauren, listen. We just need you. You just. If you remain calm with us, we remain calm with you, and we're not gonna cite you, okay? All you got to do is sit here and wait for the squad.
But I've had cops that do just this, that treat me like shit.
Have we treated you like anything but nice?
No, you haven't. But have other people that are just like that treated me like shit? Yeah.
Okay.
Other people,
Yeah,
right?
we're not those other people.
How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know?
You're gonna have to take our word on it.
I will believe it when I see it.
Just going to take a number for right now. Just wait for PI for public.
Let me tell you this. My grandpa, my great uncle is the head sheriff of Lorraine County.
I know.
The name?
Yeah, I know.
You know the last name?
Yeah. No, you
I
can't.
literally couldn't call any of my single friends or...
You said you don't know any of their phone numbers. You don't have
You
your
didn't
phone.
give me a chance. You just called the police and called up the
I
hotline.
asked you. You said you don't know. You lost your phone. You don't know any of their numbers. This is unfortunately the only option we have.
You have.
Yeah, just stay right here.
Stay right here, and then they'll come. They're gonna come over you.
Hold on. I'm putting my hair clip on my purse. Is that okay?
Just sit down.
Is that okay?
Sit down.
Is my hair clip on my purse okay?
Sit down, please.
So you're a bunch of assholes.
Okay. Highly intox, probably dehydration. She fell a couple times. Her friends left her here. She's got nowhere else to go.
It's because I called them assholes.
Oh, let's go some weed up.
Vomiting.
Because I called them assholes.
Oh, why you
Good call.
Because I'm highly intoxicated. I've been hydrating all night. Oh, hey, thank you guys for the $3,000 EMT ride. And I just want to thank you personally. Thank you. $3,000 sounded great.
All
You're
right.
an asshole, and
Hey,
so are you.
Don't touch me. Don't do that.
You're going to charge me another $3,000?
Don't touch this again. Don't touch that.
squad or else.
We're having such a long
go.
way from the EMT.
Well, we don't chase you that much.
Okay, well, let me walk away.
All right, come on.
So you,
I just
you can check out on
squeezing my water away from me.
Go.
Squeezing my water away. Thank you. No water allowed from
Go.
you, asshole.
Inside, please.
I don't need a $3,000 EMT.
Come on.
Thank you guys. I just want to personally
Stand back.
charge you guys.
Get inside the squad, please.
I'm personally in
Get inside
debt.
the squad.
I'm in debt with everything. I want to thank you guys. Thank you.
Perfect.
$3,000. Thank you. Thank you. $3,000.
Get inside the squad.
Get inside the squad.
No f***ing reason. Asshole.
Get inside.
Get in the squad now.
That doesn't make you any less of an asshole. I'm not lying down. Also, I beat up on it like a f***ing asshole. Since everybody else in here was a f***ing asshole.
All right.
Go
I'm
back.
gonna say sorry to her.
It's literally insane.
So if I do one thing to start anything, it's like $300.
I don't care. It's $3,000.
It's
It's not anything that I should have to. I don't have $3,000 for a bullshit EMT ride. So f*** you.
Lauren.
No, don't call my f***ing first name. We are Mr. and Mrs.
Let them do
We are
what they have to
not-
do.
You're the biggest motherfucker I've ever met in my life. I don't need a f***ing EMT ride.
Can you answer the questions for them? They need
No,
to answer
I'm
the
not
questions.
answering anything. I'm not paying for anything.
Well, we're about to get off in 15 minutes.
Oh, you are? I'm so sorry. Hey, no!
I don't need an EMT ride. I'm not paying $3,000.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I am not paying $3,000 for this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't need a $3,000 EMT ride. Yes, I do. I do. And I'm not paying $3,000 for this ride. Are you kidding me? $3,000 for a ride in the EMT when I don't need?
Let them check you out.
You don't have to say because you're not paying $3 grand.
Lauren
You're not
said
paying $3 grand.
You're not hitting me.
You're not paying $3 grand.
Or else you're going to jail.
I didn't hit you. Are you kidding me? I did not hit him.
Sit down now.
Are you kidding me? I hit you?
Sit down now.
It's all on camera, okay?
Yeah, I hope it is on camera. Tell me to sit down when I hit you. I hit you, right?
Sit down.
I hit you, right? I hope it's all on camera. I'm getting off this stuff.
Okay, yeah, you are.
Please, escort me off this stuff. No, actually not. I'm not doing anything wrong. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm not doing anything wrong. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
Yeah, you are. Yeah, go.
I'm cooperating. Stop grabbing me.
Take your
Get
phone.
off of me. I'm not good.
Now you got for assault on a police officer. How about that? Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back.
Just so you know.
Stop fighting.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm about to sue the fuck out of you, motherfucker. You don't even know whose family. You don't even know whose family you're with, you motherfucker. Stand up. How am I supposed to stand up? How am I supposed to stand up? How am I supposed to stand up? You guys literally got me twisted like a pretzel. Just so you motherfuckers know. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing. I can't. I can't. Are you kidding me? No, please, please.
Walk. Put your legs up.
Dude, you bunch of motherfuckers.
Stand up. Stand up now.
You can't let me. What the? Oh, you're hurting me.
Well, walk without. Well, walk without fighting. Get up.
If you guys are gonna hurt me, I'm gonna fight you. Please record this, dude.
I got her. Let's go.
I hope you know you're about to lose your motherfucking job over this motherfucker.
Have a seat.
I want to know your badge number.
Have a seat.
I want to know your badge number.
Relax.
If she's
Relax.
listen. Look at her face, you motherfucker. Can't even do it as a man. Can't even arrest me as a man, you motherfucker. If you're gonna,
Hey, just hold it right there. Just hold it. Hold it. I'm about to hit West.
I will relax for you because you haven't put a hand on me. That's the only reason I'll relax for you because you haven't put a hand on me. Please let me put my nipples up.
Fresh? Yeah.
115, I'll be there in 2.
I can't be fine right now. You alright? Yeah, I'm good. You good? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Sorry for making a mess of the squad.
Well, you guys are good, man.
She would have been on her way. That's it. So we got the squad out. I'm trying to get her and just get taken care of. She keeps like trying to push past us. She hits us initially, and we kind of like, all right, don't do that again. Watch that, I got hard mention. Don't do that again. Got her into the squad. She started mouthing off to us again, trying to get her, we'll sit down to get her info with the EMS, and she keeps getting up. She won't give info. So I'm like, all right, well, we'll just take her to the hospital ourselves and give her a cipher disorder conduct while intoxicated. Then she starts trying to hit me, and then she bit me when we were trying to get her handcuffs. So she claims her grandfather is the sheriff from Lorraine County, which that is last name for. So I'm sure she's telling the truth about that, but that don't catch any breaks when you start assaulting a police officer.
No.
Hey, stop! Hey, stop hitting your head.
He's waving your head. Hey,
Get her out. Hey, just open the door.
Hey, don't knock your head like that. Please, I'm claustrophobic.
Stop.
I just need
Stay in the
air.
car.
I don't care. Leave the door open up, please. I'm claustrophobic. I cannot handle it.
We'll roll down the windows, but
Okay, no, please.
we'll roll down the windows, but we're not doing that.
Stay here a minute. Please, this is ridiculous. Nobody's telling me what the hell is happening.
Stop. Stay in the car.
Nobody is telling me
We're
what's
roll down the
happening.
windows for you. You're being booked in on assaulting a police officer. That's what's
What
happening right
county are you in?
now.
I want to know what county we're in.
Put your feet in, please.
Call, please.
Put your
I would
feet
like
in.
my one phone call
Put your feet
from
in.
Phil Stametti, Lorraine County.
Put your feet in.
Do I not get my one share of everything? You guys have locked me up so illegally for no reason. no reason, and you beat me up and literally cuff my arms for no reason. Please, give me my phone call.
Hey, just to let you know, she's claiming her grandfather's still sitting in.
Great uncle?
Or great uncle or something like that. We're gonna take her down assault on a PO. She kept pushing past me.
Yeah, I literally told him for 20 minutes to get off of me.
Yeah, I don't care.
Literally dragged me by
Lauren, put your feet in.
Do me a favor.
Put your feet in.
This way so I can adjust those cuffs. Let me adjust these cuffs.
Yeah, make it a little tighter.
I'm actually gonna make it a little looser for you.
No, make it a little tighter. Why don't you cuff my ankles around?
Turn this way, please.
Okay, so I'm assaulting a police officer, but you're gonna unloosen my cuffs.
Relax for me, please.
I would love to unloosen your cuffs. I'm not gonna touch anybody, but you're gonna put assault on a police officer on me? Are you kidding me? Unloosen my cuffs, but tell me I have assault on a police officer.
All right.
You're gonna tell me I have assault on a police officer.
Stop pulling out of handcuffs.
Why?
Stop pulling out of handcuffs.
Okay, tell me why.
Why you're in handcuffs?
Please look at me in the eyes. Look at me in the eyes. They told me I had assault on a police officer, and then they unleashed me. Why is that?
They loosen the cuffs because you're complaining.
Because it hurts.
Okay, give me your hand.
I'm not assaulting anybody.
Turn.
I'm not assaulting
Get out of
anybody.
cuffs.
No, they let me out of my cuffs. Are you
did not let
kidding
you
me?
out of cuffs. Turn.
Okay, then how did I get out?
You loosened
They loosened them. How did I? Are you kidding me? I would gladly, but don't put me on more charges.
Face that way.
All right,
just turn.
This is insane. This is the most insane.
Put your hand. Put your other hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Please stop grabbing me. This is insane.
She got those cuffs. She got cuffs.
No, they unloosened my
Relax.
cuffs. You guys are literally about to get sued
Relax.
so hard like a motherfucker. No, don't tell me to. Don't tell me to. Look me in the face. Look at me in the face when you tell me to relax. Don't tell me to relax when you guys are doing illegal. Close the door. Close the door. This is illegal as a motherfucker. Yeah, that's right. That's why you unleashed me, unleashed me, and unleashed me, and unleashed me again. Liars like a motherfucker. Get my f***ing uncle up here now. Get my uncle up here. I don't care about who's your boss or anything. Get my f***ing uncle and my grandpa.
Your uncle can't help you.
Actually, he's the head sheriff of Lorraine
I don't
County.
care if he's the president of the United States.
Okay, call
He's not
him
going to help you.
Oh, okay. Who's gonna help me then? Nobody?
Well, you can help yourself by
Who's gonna help
calming
you? No, who's gonna help you when they look at the fucking cameras and see how illegally you arrested me
you
like
can
a
do that.
motherfucker?
You can do that, but you're going to be spending the night down in Cuyahoga County Jail tonight.
I would rather you do that. See your fucking job end up in the fucking bitch of the fucking scum of the world. Oh, I punched you in your little stupid chest and it hurt because you wouldn't get the fuck off of me like every other fucking police officer that assaults every other fucking person. Oh, I hope your penis is 6 times large. Oh, Tom, you know, water sip, water. Oh, I hope you have protein in that mask.
After Lauren persistently continues to argue and verbally attack the officer for several more minutes, she is eventually placed under arrest and transported to the police station. Even upon arrival, her aggressive behavior doesn't subside. She remains visibly agitated and confrontational, making it difficult for the officers to process her calmly. The officers are then forced to remove her from the vehicle and escort her inside while she's still fired up and resisting their instructions.
I'll stand back with you.
Come on out.
I'm gonna be so coherent with you guys. I'm sorry.
I appreciate that.
No, it's literally him. Can you please put my shoulders back in my strap?
There you go. We're going to go inside here. I'll get this one for you as well.
This is fine. I'm gonna be so coherent with you. It's him.
All right, don't look at him.
No, he's a motherfucker.
Don't look at him. Let's go this way.
Can you please get my bags out of the back of your trunk?
No, they're going to go to you after you get out of here, okay? Watch your step down here, okay?
Just because Lauren might be the sheriff's niece doesn't mean she gets a free pass. Rules apply to everyone. This all went down at a beach in Ohio, where Metropark police were flagged down by a group of concerned young women. They told officers about a girl clearly drunk, stumbling around, left behind by her so-called friends. Real friendship. Officers tried to help her. These girls even offered her water. But instead of being grateful, Lauren snatched it away and started getting aggressive. It got worse. She mentioned she kept falling into the water. That's not just embarrassing, it's dangerous. Let's not forget, a large number of drowning victims have alcohol in their system. She could have been one of them. Even after all that, Lauren decided it was a good idea to start name-dropping her sheriff uncle, as if that would change anything. And just when things couldn't get any worse, she hits a police officer. And in the ambulance, completely uncooperative with the EMTs. Despite officers doing everything they could to de-escalate the situation, she had to be arrested. It wasn't just public intoxication. She's now facing charges including assault on an officer and resisting arrest. The wildest part? After they got her in the cruiser, she somehow managed to slip out of her cuffs, and the look in her eyes in that backseat? Chilling. Let this be a reminder, alcohol and poor decisions at the beach don't mix. And just because you're related to someone in law enforcement doesn't mean you're above the law. Lauren is innocent until proven guilty in court, but this situation easily could have ended way worse. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Police Insight for more real-life crime stories, legal breakdowns, and shocking cases.